Step inside a home where warmth meets elegance, anchored in a soft, earthy palette of creamy whites, warm taupes, and rich browns that flow seamlessly through its open concept design. This home project by Bradshaw Design is a warm, inviting space that beautifully blends modern and classic sensibilities. The home is anchored in a soft, earthy color palette with creamy whites, warm taupes, and rich browns that run consistently throughout the open concept layout. Subtle accents of rust, particularly in the throw pillows and floral arrangement, add depth and seasonal charm without overwhelming the room. The living room features an oversized, neutral-tone sectional that feels both cozy and tailored. It's paired with a slingback leather armchair and a small wooden stool, offering a thoughtful mix of comfort and visual interest. At the center of the seating area is a round black coffee table, simply styled with stacked books, ceramics, and a glass vase holding vibrant red-orange branches. The overall styling is minimal yet intentional. Each piece serves a purpose while contributing to the overall aesthetic. portrait and abstract painting near the window nod to mid-century and modernist influences, contributing a quiet sophistication to the space. Lighting, too, plays a key role. A sculptural pendant light above the kitchen island and a ceramic table lamp in the living area provide both function and form, each with clean lines that echo the broader design approach. Natural materials are used generously, creating a tactile, grounded feel. The space features wide plank wood flooring and exposed wood ceiling beams that emphasize the room's height and add architectural warmth.